Greetings and salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with an exciting haul video. So if you guys are interested in seeing the thrifting video for this particular haul, I'm going to have the videos linked right here. It's going to be from two videos. I believe one is a vlog and another is a thrifting video from about 2 days ago. So I'll have those two videos linked so you guys can check out the shopping experience while I was finding all this stuff. Some of the items aren't going to be included in this haul though, because I'm going to be doing a separate video for thrifted Christmas gifts, which I'm very excited. So that is coming up. A lot of you guys expressed how you guys wanted to see that, so of course I'm going to make that video for you guys. So I'm very excited about that. I'm probably going to be filming it later on well, probably not today. It's already like the middle of the night. Probably tomorrow. But let me share with you guys what I ended up getting, because I got some pretty fun stuff. So the first thing I got here is this John Varvatos shirt. I love John Varvatos shirts. They're so soft and I just like love the fabrics on them. So this is just a shirt that I got for myself and it was only $2.99. And at this part in the store that I got this in, I had a coupon for 25% off, so that's perfect. So I actually got this for 25% off as well. So I guess I got 50 cents off of it because it's only $2. No, it's $3. So I got like 75 cents off of it. So that's awesome. So there's that, John Varvatos. Oh, I thought I had a hole, but it's very linty. I just need to throw that in the washing machine, then it's gonna be good to go. The next thing I have here, I was so excited to find this. I thought it was so cool and unique. And it is a brain cookie jar. I know it's like a little like macabre maybe, but I think that it's just such a cool piece. And this is actually from Target, but I guess it's very like, I guess it's pretty sought after because I googled it online and they're reselling these for like $30 or $40, which is pretty pricey. I got this for $6. I really like it. I just think it's such a cool piece and it's just like really unique. And I mean, I did take all those science classes. I took anatomy, physiology, mammalian physiology, all that stuff. So I think this is like an homage to that, and I can use it in my decor, which is awesome. And it's white. It's just like really dirty, but I just need to wash it up, and I think it's gonna be good to go. So I'm very excited to have found that. That was an exciting piece. Now, okay, so I have been on the hunt also for Christmas decor. I know like behind me it's already very Christmassy, but I always want to add to it. I feel like I'm adding to the Christmas decor up until Christmas. Even after Christmas I'll be like switching up the decorations still, because you know like the decorations are up until New Year's, and usually New Year's Day I start taking everything down and then I'm like spring mode. So I got some Christmas decor that I'm very excited about. Well, these two pieces I'm very, very happy to have found. And they look like glass, but they're just plastic. But they're really nice plastic, so they look pretty glass-like. But that's awesome because if you guys have watched my videos, I have 3 nephews and they are kind of all over the place. They are very good though about not breaking things. And I don't even remember the last time they really broke anything inside the house other than like that's something that's there, it's like a toy. So even if these were glass, I wouldn't be too afraid to pick them up and use them in the house, but they are plastic, so I have that peace of mind still too, that these aren't gonna like break if they fall. I actually dropped one of them when I was at the store, and I was like, oh my god, but it was totally fine. It just fell inside the shopping cart, but they're beautiful. They are just these like, they're these crystal looking trees, and they're really, I wish there were 3, but it's okay. But I remember like these were really big a few years ago. I think they had, I think they still have them, but they had something very similar, like Pottery Barn, I believe, and maybe Crate and Barrel, but so cool. So very excited about that. And then I also found this cute little tree, which I've been looking for, like another cute little like Christmas tree type thing. It's kind of like broken, and this is from Target. It was only $2.99. But I'm just gonna like put some glue in here and it should be fine. It'll just like stick and stay. Like even if I didn't put any glue in it, it's totally fine, like unless like I'm moving it around. So I think it's totally fine even if I didn't, but it probably will. But yeah, it's just a cute little tree. This one was only $2.99. And I just wanted like another little tree. I think I might actually put it like right here or something. So really, really fun. It has a little wood and metal base, and then I'm hanging like a few little small ornaments off of it, and it's almost like a little Charlie Brown Christmas tree. So I think that's really, really cute. I'm actually gonna put this there so I remember to use it. Okay, so next, so The next thing I have is really exciting because if there's this YouTuber that I love. Her name is Lydia Elise Millen, and I believe she lives in like England. And I was watching her Vlogmas episodes, and in one of them she goes with her husband to I forget what, I think they bought it at HomeSense, and it's this beautiful wooden rocking horse, and they put it by the Christmas tree, and I was like, oh my gosh, that like brings me back. Like I remember like, you know, like in all those Christmas movies back in the day, like when I was younger, they always had like a rocking horse or something like by the tree, and I was like, oh my gosh, that is so stinking cute. And lo and behold, this is what I found at the thrift store the other day, and I just about cried, and like everyone that saw it was like so obsessed with it too. And like, it is this large, it's not a rocking horse, but it has like wheels, but the wheels don't actually work. It's like pretty stationary, which is fine. At first I thought it was like actually, like they actually worked. And I was literally pulling it by the reins around the store, and I was like, wait a minute, the tires don't rotate at all. But it's so cute. And can you believe it was only $9.99? Like I could imagine this being like up to $75, $85, $125, depending on where it is. And it's like a solid wood horse. The face part kind of like got separated a little bit, probably because like someone was pulling it. I feel like if I just got like a rubber mallet and just like pushed it in, it would be totally fine. But even then, like it's honestly not too bad. I think actually just from pushing it in, it's kind of like going in already. Oh yeah, it's not bad at all. I'm probably just gonna leave it, to be honest. But it is so fantastic. I love it. It looks almost like, I don't really know the different kinds of woods, but we have like a table that has mango wood on top, and this kind of looks like mango. Maybe it might be birch. I have no clue. If anyone knows, let me know. But this guy is solid. It's beautiful. And I am so excited to have gotten him for $10. Again, also 25% off, so he was about $8. So cute. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. He's already been by the tree, but I pulled him out from his little spot just so I can show you guys. So I'm very, very excited for him. And then to go with him, I found him a little brother. And this guy was so adorable as well. This is actually also from Target. And he has a little broken leg, and they taped it back up, and I'm like, I'm just gonna glue it back together and none will be the wiser. It's gonna be totally fine. He is so fantastic. I love him. I guess this guy was on sale, or I don't know like what the price was, but at Target it was priced at $19.99, and I got him for the little price of $1.99. I wonder if it's actually priced underneath this. Does it say horse? It was actually made in the Philippines. Oh yeah, it was $19.99 in the store. How funny that this was made in the Philippines, because that's where I'm from, the Philippines. So this is super cute. I'm gonna fix up his little leg. I don't mind that at all. Like a little super glue and he'll be good to go. But he's just so adorable. I love like wooden figurines like this, especially like with animals and stuff like that. So I'm always like kind of collecting them. So $1.99 I don't think is a bad price for that. So I am very, very, very excited. So that's that. And I have a couple more things to show you guys. And they are both handbags. So this one was from a trip that I went to. Yeah, this was from the vlog. I didn't really get too many items in the vlog. I found this at the same time as I found I think I found the Brain cookie jar. And it is a beautiful black furla tote. And, you know, it just looks a little dirty. Like, it just needs a little bit of conditioning and cleaning. And I think it's gonna look fantastic. It just has, like, some marks on it. But I think with a little bit of elbow grease, we'll get most of that stuff out. And then the interior is actually very nice and clean. So I love furla bags so much. They're all made in Italy. They're wonderfully crafted. And the leathers that they use are amazing. I know they also do make those jelly bags, which are really nice as well. But I just love their leather bags too. So very excited to have found this guy. And this one was pretty inexpensive. It only $6.99, which is crazy because usually thrift stores no furla. Like I was at the thrift store today and there was a furla bag for $65. And I was like, oh, it's so nice. But like $65 was like a little pricey. But yeah, so excited to have found that. And then last but not least, this one was such a cute find. And I'm so excited to have found it. It's, oh, something fell? I don't know what that was, but look at this cute little Chanel. It's so adorable. It was from the store where I found like the horse and stuff, so I got this for half or 25% off as well. And don't, I think I've told you guys this before too, but always look up coupons for your stores, because sometimes Goodwills will have coupons. Sometimes they have regional coupons, and in this case, this coupon was just for the particular store in this particular location. So just type in the name of, type in Goodwill, and then type in the shopping center or area that you're in, and then if they have any coupons, they'll pop up. So I'm very excited about that. So here is this bag. It's so cute. The chain is so substantial. It's really, really nice. And then, of course, the tassel is really cute. It is leather as well. It needs a little bit of a rehab along the back bottom portion, but it's not too bad. And inside is just like that. It's just a really, 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 really cute bag. And I am so excited to have found it. The chain. And this is just like, oh. Yeah, it's like a great crossbody bag. It sits a little high, but still really, really cute, and it's really fun, and it will hold, like, I wonder if it'll fit an iPhone. Okay, so I have the iPhone XS Max. Let's see if it'll fit. Okay, it does not fit the XS Max at all. Nope, it doesn't fit at all, so. Still cute though. It'll fit like a small wallet, some like lipstick or whatever. It's like a thicker bag, so it can fit more than it looks. So that rounds out today's video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me, and thank you also for everyone that participated in the 2 premieres that I had the other day. Actually yesterday. It was super fun. I know I got them kind of uploaded a little bit late, so like the first video only had an hour before of notice before the video went live. So the other one was up at 2. So one was at 9, one was at 2. Let me know what you guys think about those premieres. It was really fun interacting with you guys during the videos, and I really want to do that some more. So if you guys enjoyed it, let me know down below in the comments. Let me know if you guys joined and saw all that fun stuff that was happening. And yeah. Also, there's also a new feature on Instagram. It's like, or not Instagram, on YouTube, that's kind of like Instagram stories. Let me know if you guys watch those. I think I put up 1 post on there. And yeah, but let me know if you guys look at that and if you guys use that and what you guys think about it, because I know like Instagram or IGTV, like, does anyone watch that either? Because if you guys do, I would like to do some videos on there as well for you guys if you guys are interested in that. So again, let me know down in the bottom comments. And don't forget again to subscribe, hit the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up, because I do post videos every single day. Don't forget to check out today's vlog. It's up at 2. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye! Here they are, $25. It's not the worst, but not as cheap as I want them to be. Let's see what else we have. This little 6 cube bookcase is $24. Whoa, is this like a thing of twine?